Quebravo.com.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're all waiting for the candy.
Sorry? No, like half an hour ago, I closed the door and it was just locked.
The internet went off, so sorry. You do that again.
Okay, so we place the cartridge in the chamber, and then you put the door back on. The chamber itself, this black area, is heated to ensure that the material is kept at the correct temperature. You can make at the moment, let's see, we have 10 different colors and flavors and several versions of what we call rainbow blend, which allows the customer to have more than one color. We have lots of opportunities to develop additional colors going forward. This is the Magic Candy Factory, the world's first ever 3D printer for fruit gums, and also the first printer for food to reach the consumer market. We have an application on our website called New Ideas at MagicCandyFactory.com, and any customer anywhere in the world can suggest a shape to us. The consumer can choose from different flavors and colors, a huge variety of shapes, and they can even write their own name.
Right.